Well, on this foggy day, which I thought was going to be 70 degrees, is not. It's 40 something. We are messing around with drywall finishing. It's a box of mud. They didn't have a bucket of mud any available. Now, the box saves you a little bit of money, but there's a problem. If you just leave the mud in the box, it's hard to get out of the plastic. And then when you fold everything back in, the plastic and the mud inside that plastic will dry out that mud because it gets exposed to air and so on. So if you get in the habit of buying a box, you need to have a bucket. And I had to pay for a bucket. The routine is to take the plastic out and wrap it over so it hangs on the bottom of that. You can take it, put your hands on the bottom. There you go. Now you can seal that bucket up, and that dried flakes of drywall mud won't be in your mud and make your finishing look really bad. All right? See you guys.